Okay, so the next tool in the emergent resampling suite is Metamorph. This time, instead of a slider, we are using text prompts to transform one sound into another. This is a highly advanced form of neural reprocessing and an area of technology which is advancing and improving extremely fast. Metamorph opens up the ability to create timbrally different versions of a sample you like and intend to use in a project. The idea here is to radically change the sound, not just to remodel it. As with both emergent tools, it does tend to work best on mid-range, more melodic or at least harmonically clear sounds, but it can also create some absolute gems with bass and more harmonically ambiguous sounds too. So let's show you a first example. Here's an absolutely stunning melodic lead sample from Phase. Now, you might hear this and instantly start thinking of ideas for a track. And when we say emergent resampling is a creative tool, we mean creativity always starts with a thought, and AI tools are great for that. So for example, maybe as you listen, you are hearing some acoustic guitar flutter into your ear, maybe just some notes here and there. So you might be looking for a guitar sample to work with this lead. The first setting is here. You'll notice we have relative and unrelative. Put simply, relative will seek to create versions which directly relate to the source audio in terms of key, rhythm, envelope. Whereas unrelative will break free from those parameters into much more unpredictable territory. Anyway, we'll get to that in a minute. Okay, so let's put in our guitar request on relative and see what it can do. Wow, a really beautiful sample, with not just a lovely melody in the key, but with a lush, warm tone straight out of the 70s. Let's add a bit of reverb and saturation to it for added flavour. Delicious. Okay, so here are another couple of examples. Here we have this awesome lead from ACOF. It instantly evokes some Spanish vibes. So why don't we try a guitar again, but this time let's add flamenco into the request. Add some more subtle FX. Very nice. Now this sample could be layered with the original lead, or used in response, or maybe just for the intros and breakdowns. Next up, we have this interesting pitching melodic lead from SMG. For some reason, it sounds like it could be a string being hit with a mallet. Maybe a koto comes to mind. Let's see what it does. Awesome. And here's another example. Let's simply change a piano to a Rhodes. So as you can see, ending the prompt with the word version will summon a transformation to a different timbre. But this is just one way of using Metamorph. Another is by using cultural or stylistic references to transform a sound. Some of the ones that are good to try are things like make more sci-fi, or make more horror movie, or make atmospheric or orchestral. So for example, here's a really nice lead from Foreign Concept. What about we try this? And there we are, reminiscent of The Exorcist, maybe. How quaint. And what about we run the same prompt again, but this time set to unrelative. And there we go, it's broken free of the format and delivered just a single ominous chord. Metamorph set to unrelative is an area of quite ridiculous potential and limitless outcomes, and will probably always remain an area that's never fully explored. But with enough experimentation, it's sure to return some very interesting and unexpected samples. Just for fun, let's make this chord into a gestural FX sample with some reversing and reverb. And lastly, let's demonstrate the incredible orchestral prompt. This one has the ability to really put your jaw on the floor. It works really well on atmospheres and longer evolving lead sounds. Here we have two examples based on two beauties from Ed Rush. Here's the first. And then we entered an orchestral prompt and we got just incredible. And here's another. Entering the same prompt again, we got So we hope this video has helped to show you enormous potential of Infinitum's Metamorph function and of its emergent resampling suite in general. This is a very quickly evolving technology, and with every update we aim to bring you even more breathtaking levels of transformation. But as mentioned, what will never change is the format. Artist-made samples will always be the core and the point of origination. Until next time, Andy out.